Now it's very easy to recreate restaurant style taste at home. I am making Surti Kdhi Masala at home. So to make this masala, I am taking 500 grams of pigeon peas. This is also known as tuver lilwa or green arhar. So I am taking 500 grams of arhar. In that I am adding 2-inch piece of ginger and 2 inch of white turmeric. Now to add little color to our Kdhi masala, I am adding 1 small piece of turmeric. Now 100 grams of curry leaves. And I am adding green chilies. Green chili you can adjust upon according to your taste. I am adding 100 grams of green chili and I am combining spicy and mild green chili. You can adjust the quantity of spicy and mild chili according to your taste. Now I am going to add everything into the food processor and I am going to coarsely grind it. Make sure not to grind very fine powder because anyway we are going to make the powder, so just coarsely grind it. And here as you can see, my wet masala or wet mixture is ready. See, here you can see all the bits and pieces of the mixture. So now what I am going to do, I am going to add this mixture into the bowl and I am going to add rest of the ingredients. Now here I am going to add 2 teaspoons of hing asafoetida and 2 teaspoons of salt. You can adjust the quantity of salt according to your taste. And salt also works as a preservative for the masala. So that's why I like to add salt in my masala. If you don't want, you can avoid it. You can add directly to your curry. So now our mixture is ready. I'm going to dry this. To dry this masala, I'm going to spread onto a plate and I'm going to spread it evenly and as thin as possible. So this will help you to dry it faster. So I'm going to put this under the sun for 24 hours. Here we are getting very little sun, but if it's very harsh sun, make sure to keep this into the shade so it will not lose the color. So now I'll wait for 24 hours. Here as you can see, everything dried up very nice. Look at this. Now I'm going to add this coarsely ground mixture into a blender and I'm going to make it a fine powder. So now let's crush it into the blender. So as you can see, it is making into the fine powder and our Kdhi masala is ready. Look at the color and the aroma is so good. And look at the texture, is smooth and fine powder. Our Kdhi masala is ready. You can use 2 teaspoons of Kdhi masala for the quantity of 4 to 6 people's curry. This will stay in the refrigerator for almost 6 months. So make it at your home and let me know the outcome. I will see you with the next episode of Rinku's Rasoi. Till then, happy cooking.